The familiar chant, no longer a plea, but a celebration. Just days after the Supreme Court ruled that same-sex marriage is a right, the ever-punctual New York City celebrated its Gay Pride March. One reveler is quoted as saying this was the first time in his life he felt like a full citizen. Happy that people that, quote, still hate, no longer have the government backing them up. But Michael Long, the chairman of the Conservative Party of New York State, says that hate was never part of the equation.
See, if you are opposed to same-sex marriage, you are some kind of homophobe or racist or hater. And that's the word the opposition has used against those who believe in traditional marriage. And it has nothing to do with hate. It has to do with preserving a way of life.
Long encourages supporters of traditional marriage to follow the new law of the land, but he strongly believes the Supreme Court dismissed the idea that marriage is an institution with a unique meaning and purpose, to bring two halves of humanity together, to give children the best opportunity to experience the love of both their mother and father. Not a political decision, but a moral and social one.
This decision was clearly a political decision and totally threw out any regard for the institution of marriage that's been with us since the beginning of time. It really wreaks havoc on families. It wreaks havoc for the future of various religious institutions. Has nothing to do, the decision had nothing to do with the Constitution.
Long says that, well, because marriage is not in the Constitution at any point. He sees this ruling as a triumph of politics over law, where a court decided the fate of a country.
The court was wrong in ramming down the throats of the rest of the states that did not yet either vote or take the issue up, or some states that took the issue up and voted no to same-sex marriage. And that's not what this country was founded about. The right procedure, take here in New York, the legislature voted for same-sex marriage. I didn't agree with that vote. I didn't support that vote, but that is the legislative way and the proper way and the constitutional way to change laws, not have laws changed by the dictate of a court. And disregarding the rights of individuals and citizens of various states, and disregarding the rights of various legislators who it's their job to either say yay or nay on same-sex marriage, and this will open a floodgate.
A floodgate that could affect religious freedom, which is the first freedom in the Constitution.
Zealots on the other side who want to change and impose their will upon the various churches, whether the synagogues, churches, or the mosque. And quite frankly, religious institutions are going to have to get ready for that big fight.
Reporting for Currents, I'm Michelle Powers.